Porsche's 2023 911 Dakar is stylish and rally-ready. The most distinctive 911 model from Porsche has been unveiled at the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2022. The 2023 Porsche 911 Dakar is an elevated, off-road capable version of the company's iconic 911 sports car that also features all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires, and more rally-ready modifications. A 3.0-liter flat-six engine with twin turbochargers that produces 473 horsepower is located behind the rear axle. The 911 Dakar is only available with Porsche's 8-speed PDK automated transmission. One thing the 911 lineup hasn't had is perhaps something we never thought to ask for: an off-roader. Porsche's 911 sports car is an icon in its own right, and one of the many things we like about it is its wide range of available models, from basic Carrera coupes all the way up to the fire-breathing GT3 RS. The 911 Dakar, which takes its name from the 1978 Paris Dakar Rally competition, will change that starting in 2023. The 911 Dakar has finally been revealed in production form, and we are fully aware of its all-terrain modifications. Although we have already seen a peek of it via teaser photographs of it completing its testing at all corners of the Earth, the 911 Dakar is essentially a Carrera for GTS coupe that has been adapted for rally use. As such, it has an all-wheel drive system and a twin-turbo flat-six engine with 473 horsepower. The ground clearance has been increased by 30 mm, and the suspension has been elevated by 50 mm. It also has a standard lift system. Porsche has configured the lift system to allow the 911 Dakar to ride at its maximum height at speeds up to 105 miles per hour, in contrast to off-road systems that permit a greater degree of adjustment for low-speed maneuvers. The automobile will elevate itself to this height automatically when you switch to the new off-road driving mode. The Dakar rides on a staggered wheel arrangement with 20-inch rollers in the back and 19-inch rollers up front, just like other 911 variants. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus tires on those aluminum wheels, which have been expressly created to be more puncture-resistant thanks to a dual-carcass manufacturing technology, are what distinguishes the Dakar as being special. Okay, so the paint will undoubtedly get scratched, but the 911 Dakar is designed for fast off-road activities. To enable the 911 Dakar to tear down rutted roads and climb grassy knolls without endangering the car's low-hanging mechanicals, Porsche incorporated underbody protection. In order to improve the approach angle, the car's front overhang has been somewhat shortened and stainless steel skid plates and side guards have been installed. Porsche claims that the 911 Dakar weighs only 16 pounds more than a 911 Carrera for GTS with an automatic transmission despite all the changes. The car's mass has been controlled via weight-saving methods, such as removing the back seats and using lightweight window glass. Porsche claims the 911 Dakar can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, however, we believe this estimate to be a little conservative given that a rear-wheel drive 911 Carrera GTS with the PDK reached 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds during our testing. Porsche engineers rated the 911 parts bin to create the 911 Dakar, installing the carbon fiber hood from the GT3, the Carrera S-brakes, and the cooling system from the Turbo S. The interior is neatly constructed and has enough room for two adults, much like a typical 911. Customers have the option of choosing the more comfortable normal 911 seats over the pair of heavily bolstered sports seats that come as standard. The 1984 Paris Dakar winning 911's external livery package is also an option, and it looks sick with its Fuchs-style white wheels, racing stripes, and racing number sticker. Additionally, a cool cargo basket that mounts on the roof and has floodlights built into the leading edge is available for the 911 Dakar. Porsche claims that their rooftop tent will also fit if you want to camp atop the 911 Dakar. The 911 Dakar has a hefty starting price of $223,450, but we don't anticipate that will stop wealthy Porsche purchasers, especially because the vehicle is so distinctive. Call your local Porsche dealer right away if all of this performance and rally-bred engineering appeals to you. Porsche is coy about whether a second run of limited edition Dakar cars will be made available in subsequent model years. Only 2,500 will be built.